Islam under the microscope. Put Islam under the microscope. See what you find. Nothing but a mess. I don't use a microscope, but I definitely can see some things that other people evidently refuse to see. Islam refuses to believe that God has a son, much less other sons. Now, I really don't know how you expect to be, in the resurrection and come out good on the other side, because there will be a resurrection, just as sure as I'm sitting under this tree. There will be a resurrection and a judgment. Jesus of Nazareth was guaranteed a position before Mary gave birth or even conceived, because God made it clear to Gabriel. What did God make clear to Gabriel? Why don't you read Luke and see what Gabriel told Mary? Jesus of Nazareth does not have all authority in heaven and on earth. There's only one that has authority over heaven and earth, and it's never going to change. I can look to the sky right now and say, I praise thee, O Father, Lord of heaven and earth. And I do. I will lift my hands or my hand and say, I praise you, Father, Lord of heaven and earth. Yeah. If you think somebody else is Lord of heaven and earth, you got a problem. You don't understand anything that Jesus said. Those last words on the mountain before he went to heaven. You don't. Jesus has not appointed me. He hasn't. I know who appointed me. And I know who Jesus said would tell or determine who sits at his right and his left. Now, if you have not come to realize that there are many liars today, there's a multitude of false teachers. They don't tell the truth. They tell what they believe is true. I'm making it clear. Jesus of Nazareth is going to be exactly what Mary understood that he would be before she conceived the child. John did his thing. Jesus did what he was supposed to do. Some other people have failed to do what they should do. I don't know what you are supposed to do, but I do know what I do. And I've made this video, and it will be on YouTube shortly. Today is Tuesday. I'm ending it right now so it don't last over 5 minutes. Amen.